Hello dear Capricorn, a very good morning to you guys. I'm having a little cold. I'm really sorry about that. And yeah, this is the reading from 21st of September till the end of September, and this is general. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place, and the second thing, the roles can be reversed anytime, sweetie. So let's start, Capricorn. Your partner's current energy right now is, let's see, your partner's current energy right now is, your partner's current energy right now is Ten of Cups. Capricorn, I feel like your partner right now is spending time with family, or they are happily making a family of their own, might be. But this is happy energy of family, happy energy of, fulfillment, emotional happiness. Feeling exceptionally happy about something or might be with someone. Let me clarify. The Ten of Cups in their current energy, let me see. They are enjoying good time with friends and having a special bond with their family, joy, happiness, forgiving, the faults of others and just forgetting and just moving on. This is kind of energy that they are carrying right now. Let me clarify the Ten of Cups. Five of Cups and the Two of Cups and the Ace of Pentacles. Okay. I feel like this person is ready to have a brand new beginning with you, to restart this connection with you, because they are deeply depressed, deeply sad, grieving the loss that they had with you. They lost you and they are grieving it. They are, not liking it at all. Not liking it at all. I mean, this person is going through severe depression or anxiety or stress, and they are feeling like you are the one person who can make them happy again. So they are feeling kind of soulmate kind of connection with you, and they are ready to start this connection with you. Might be you guys had a recent reconciliation. See, that is why this person is having this energy. Ten of Cups. I feel like there is a recent reconciliation between you guys, and that's why this person is feeling this kind of energy. Might be, it might also be possible that after losing you, or after going away from you, this person found somebody with whom they are starting their own life or own family. Now they are feeling little happy about this. Not little happy, actually they are trying their best to be happy in their life and making their own family. Okay, I will clarify further the whole reading. Let me see what's your current energy, Capricorn. Your current energy right now is Six of Pentacles. Okay, so right now you are trying to balance your life. This is equal give and take of energy. You are feeling like if they are going to give me something, or if they are going to do something for me, I am going to do best. I am going to do my best to give them that thing again. I mean, back, give them that thing back. So it's like you are ready to have equal give and take of energy in this connection, equal participation in this connection with this particular partner, because you feel this is the right thing to do. That's why you are doing it. Okay, and otherwise also I feel like financially you are trying to balance your life and trying to balance your job, business, or whatever it is. Let me clarify the Six of Pentacles in your current energy. Let me see what's happening. Queen of Cups, Three of Pentacles, and Ten of Swords. Okay, you are trying to take care of yourself, your love, self-healing, you can say, because you were ready to put in effort, put in energy in some connection or in some work, but that didn't work out. Okay, that didn't work out. You felt betrayed, you felt backstabbed. I feel like you were you were very close to some kind of project or work or business or job. You were trying your best to do best in that. Okay, and but things didn't work out, and you felt betrayed, you felt backstabbed, somebody did something really wrong with you. Okay, for some of you it is business related or job related, and for others of you, you were really in love with somebody. You were ready to put in the effort, put in the energy in this connection with that particular person, but they did something stupid, and you felt betrayed and backstabbed. And now you are feeling like, yeah, okay, the worst is over. Everything that was meant to happen happened. Now I just want to restart the energy, restart the process, and I will participate equally in the connection with this particular person. Okay, this is your current energy. Let me see what their feelings for you are right now. Their feelings for you, Capricorn, what are they feeling for you? Let's see their feelings for you. Ten of Pentacles. Oh, they are feeling like you are their family. You make them really stable. You make them really happy. Whenever you are around, you make them feel like a family. You make them feel like comfortable, stable, materialistically stable as well, physically, mentally stable as well. Beautiful energy of stability, happiness, and family kind of energy. I feel like this person wants to have a long-term committed connection with you. They don't want to leave you, or they don't want to play with your emotions or play with you. They want to have a fulfilling connection with you and to have a family with you. Let me clarify the Ten of Pentacles. Three of Swords, okay, the Moon, and Three of Cups. They are feeling like you are their family and you really make them happy. I'm having cold, I'm sorry. They are deeply heartbroken. They are deeply heartbroken. They are very fearful that you might be having somebody else in the equation, or you might be dating somebody else, or you might be happy with somebody else. Although they feel like you are their stable partner, they want to have a long term commitment relationship with you, or marriage with you. They are deeply heartbroken. You could be dealing with the Pisces here with the Moon, and they are feeling like you are dealing with somebody else. Okay, they are fearful that you are dealing with somebody else, and that's why heartbroken, completely heartbroken right now. This is the scenario here. Okay, they feel like you make them complete, but they are heartbroken because they feel like you have somebody else with whom you are, starting your life or living your life happily. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you. Let's see what this person wants from you, Capricorn. Page of Swords. This person want to have open and honest conversation and clarity from you, the truth from you. All they want is the truth from you. They want to know what is actually happening in your environment. Are you dating somebody? Are you with somebody? Are you single? Are you not ready to reconnect with them? What is happening? What is actually happening? They want the clarification. They want the honesty. They want the truth. This is what they want from you. Let me clarify the Page of Swords. Lovers could be dealing with the Gemini here, and Ten of Wands and the Temperance could be dealing with the Sagittarius here. So I feel like this person wants clarity that where this relationship stands with you. Is this relationship right now over, or we are having another chance, or we are together? What is happening? They want the clarity. They are feeling some kind of burden. They want you to release the burden and tell them the truth. They want a proper decision from your side, a proper clarification from your side. They want you to release the burden, whatever is happening, whatever is pressurizing you, just release the burden and be calm down and relax, and work on your temper, and be patient with them, be patient with this connection, and tell them exactly what is happening. Tell them exactly what is happening in the scenario. What do you want from this connection? What do you want from this particular person? Is there anybody that you are seeing right now? Is there anybody who is making you happy right now? There are lots of questions that they want answers from you. Okay, I feel like you are not ready to answer them. Actually, you feel like this is not necessary, but I feel like, Capricorn, you should answer this person, because this clarification will change everything between you. You are going to be happy, they are also going to be relieved. Something will change after this conversation, after this honesty. Let me see what is coming towards you by the end of September. stuck situation. Nothing is moving that side, nothing is moving that side. You are going to be stuck. I feel like whatever is happening right now, the cycle will follow till the end of September. There's no major changes happening. No major changes happening between you and them in this energy or in this connection. Okay, just stuck energy that nothing is moving. Let me clarify. Hermit, yes, could be dealing with the Virgo here, Queen of Wands and the King of Wands. So I feel like this is you and your partner, Queen of Wands and King of Wands. Both are on the same page. Both are equally passionate. Both are equal risk takers, and both are right now not ready to compromise. And both are silent. Both are silent. There is silence in this connection. There is stuck energy in this connection, not able to move here and there or anywhere. Although both of you are ready to, uh, wear your heart on your sleeves, you can say, take the risk, or you are ready to hear the truth, or they are ready to hear the truth, but nobody is saying anything. Silence, complete silence is there regarding a particular thing that needs to be clarified. You can that needs clarification, you can say. There's no clarification over that. The situation will be as stuck as it is right now. It's not going anywhere. You are not going to find a solution to this particular, you can say, dilemma that you guys are going through right now, or the mess that you guys are going through right now. So I feel like you have to face this energy, this stuck energy, till the end of September. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you.